Another video directed at the world coin exploration, looking at different factors, different things that are in the application that can benefit you, the user who's trying to gather cryptocurrency. Now, for you to understand what actually happens after you verify your account, pretty much every 30 days you'll be able to claim the grant, which is a small portion of your world coin wallet. Pretty much small amounts, and 25 world coins at the beginning. This is important that you start accumulating your world coin every single month, because you actually want a big amount of it if you're looking for the good money coming out of it. Second thing, of course, is the collection of the Uru daily, because you can swap the Uru directly to world coin and then transfer it out of the application. As you can see, you can pretty much add your Uru, convert it into world coin, swap it, and you'll have more world coin. The opposite when it comes to Uru, it is daily collected, unlike the world coin. Next thing, of course, is collecting the eggs from the egg vault, which in the future will have more value. Daily collection. Another thing is the loco, where at the beginning you will exchange for the corazon. Okay, after you exchange for the corazon, it will give you an item, diamante. Then when you have diamante and they start the next cycle, you will exchange it for this mandu, and it will keep carrying on until the last one, where every single exchange actually has higher value. Now, the next thing that's available on the world coin is pretty much For You AI. Now, the For You AI gives you points daily that accumulate automatically once you've registered and started, which helps in the future that these points actually can be exchanged for something useful in the world app. So do start collecting it daily. Next is DNA. If you haven't registered for DNA, like always, all links will be in the description. DNA, you will be able to claim it daily pretty much also. And then once you've claimed it and you have a good amount, you can exchange it directly into an alternative currency that is on the world coin app, whether it's Ethereum, USDC, Bitcoin, world coin. You will be able to do that. So for instance, if we select WPTC, you'll see the amounts you'll get from the WPTC. So again, something that you can claim daily for free and exchange into a different currency that you will need. Next is the poop collection. Pretty much after you sign in, let's sign in. Right, we're signing in with our world ID. As soon as you sign in, you'll notice a number of things. One of the first things is you can create an NFT, and it will be listed as soon as its price increases, which can offer people a good opportunity to gain a large amount of money if it gets listed eventually on the decentralized network. You can see the conditions here for the creation fee, the details, and when it reaches 2,000 world coins, it will be listed on DEX. You can claim the poop pretty much daily, and futuristically it should be tradable, or you can exchange it for something different. So for now, just collect the poop, and yes, it is poop. Next, you have the super cat, where you can actually train your cat, give it more strength, do battles, take it to the hospital for recovery of HP. And you gain actually points by doing that in the future will be exchangeable. We can see here the claiming of tokens is still daily in this scenario. And at the same time, if you look here on the game currency, gold and gems, you actually gain those also. Here is our monster battles and our cat pretty much, and you can actually battle to gain more rewards. These rewards should be exchangeable inside the game itself or as a cryptocurrency. We do not know. It's still in development. The most important thing is the claimed tokens. Next, we're going to dive in the scenario of actually you claimed your world coin, and after you've claimed it, it actually got added to the vault. And what is the vault? The vault pretty much is your saving account. The saving account for the vault gives you 10% APY, all right, for the APY annually. So pretty much the amount you add, it will give you 10% per year. Now, it does tell you that WorldCoin Void allows you to grow your funds by earning yield, providing a secure, efficient way to save WorldCoin. Yields can only be earned on the first 500 world coins within the vault. So once you get the grant, sometimes it actually gets added to the vault and you need to transfer it out. The transfer out usually takes approximately 3 days for it to finish. Once it's transferred out, you can see it in your spending amounts. Here pretty much withdrawal period, you can see the fees, still gonna take time. As soon as it has been actually withdrawn and you're actually desiring to start sending out your coins to a different wallet, you have the withdrawal option. Then, as always, you need to select the world chain network. The new addition is the bank transfer option, and of course we're not going to do the bank transfer, we're going to do the network world chain. And then you have MetaMask, Binance, MX Global, and others. Others is for other wallets that are not listed, but at the same time do support the world chain network. For instance, you have BitGet, BitGet Exchange, BitGet Wallet, OKX, and different wallets that are not added directly to be supported currently. What you would do is actually add the mainnet of the world coin chain network, and then you will have a wallet that has an address on the world chain, and automatically you can withdraw it. So for now, all that we actually need for a withdrawal is an exchange that supports the world chain network. So we're good to go on that. We're just going to be waiting for the withdrawal of the amounts we took from the vault to arrive in our account. Next is the new addition of the availability of being able to use a completely different method of bank transfer. Pretty much it's an intermediate that uses MX Global. MX Global will transfer the amount after taking probably a fee directly to your bank account. So it becomes easier that through the app you can transfer everything you have without needing an intermediate exchange wallet. So that's actually good. Now when going back to the App Store and looking at the current additions, you have Farcade as a new addition. It's game time, chat with artificial intelligence for the eSIM, earn world coins, provide liquidity with world. Let's actually look at what this is, and this is actually considered new. Pretty much it's not adding itself, so we're going to try and go to a different section and see which section it's actually under. So it's not in finance, and there's also SEG, something added new, and ALU, RoadMe Network, Unique Humans, DNA, Argify, the drop game tap earn reward. The drop game also is something we'll look at. Info finance, crypto, ETF flows, prediction, and more. Not of our interest. Spend your commercial, no, and no. It's gonna be in the games. And if we scroll down to all the games, we're actually looking at things that can help us to earn, not things just for fun. Sapien, Play, Earn, Train AI, that's also something we'll be looking at in a different video where we will focus mainly on the applications available. Alright, race and win world coin. You'll still have to gamble some of your world coin. Flip the coin, double the fun. Just a normal game. Where is it actually? Play games and earn daily Farca or Farsa. That's also a new addition. 1 second, I just need to find tarot cards. Yay. Where is it actually? When we click on get, in terms of the earn world, it doesn't actually show, and in the top apps it's not showing, so there is a possibility it still hasn't been added. Yeah, in any case, since it still hasn't been added, but it's still going to be pushed soon, we'll actually have a look at that when it's added. For now, let's actually look at something of what is actually available at this time. So App Store again, and then we're going to go directly here and the drop game. Let's actually open the drop game and see what we're looking at. Tap, earn, repeat. Let's start. Let's actually sign in with our wallet, and let's actually start. So tap, earn, and repeat. I'm tapping. Oof, you tap the nuke, so you cannot tap the nuke that falls from on top. Let's actually try to tap things that look like coins more than trying to tap on the nuke. Apparently there are nukes. It's the nuke symbol of, we tapped again on a nuke. Alright, let's go for one last attempt. And be very careful because they add the nukes amongst the currency, so we'll tap far away from it. Alright. Okay. Almost there. The question is, what will it actually give us for this? Because these look like different cryptocurrency. Right, unfortunately we're tapping on something and we tapped on a completely different thing that's a mine. So the majority of people are stuck at that number in terms of ranking. And earn total referral bonus, invite friends and earn 10% of their earnings. Send an invite, your friends need to install, earn 1 point for every 10 points they earn. Okay, so after we've earned, we are going to hope that this actually changes in the future and gives us something direct. Other than this, unfortunately, that was a failed attempt to explore the world app. Alright, let's see if there's anything available we haven't looked at. Sapien for now. Let's sign in. Alright, and the verification has been successful, and it should show the play. Earn rewards, turn tasks into real rewards, improve AI model used globally, global network, join, and global network. Okay, let's play the game and let's train the AI how to be a jerk. Let's train the AI how to actually behave bad and start annoying it as much as possible. Let's take a second while it loads. Alright, it has loaded and we're looking at tasks. Vehicle positioning, text to graph, drive site, and we have German text upload. Let's do the vehicle positioning. Login to sign up to play. Okay, let's actually continue with our wallet. Alright, we logged in. Let's try again the vehicle again. Let's try to log again. Okay, we actually finished. We tried a completely different login methodology scenario with another wallet, OKX, that worked instead of BitGet. And we're waiting for it to load and actually show us the task. Tip of the day, missing a label now, fixing it later, takes twice. Okay, sure. Select an option that best describes the image position. Okay, it's looking front angle. Submit. Then it's gonna verify our response and should actually give us a different question after it. Yeah, it started to calculate that 10 that were given. This is the back. Okay, back side, but we'll just select the back. And this is the side, so we're gonna select the side. Now the question is, after we keep doing this, what actually will it give us? Will we be able to withdraw what we get to World Coin and we get coins? Front angle, front side, back. It's not the front, it's more on the side, I guess. Okay. Alright, let's actually pause and see what we will reach after answering the questions and come back. Alright, we're back, and from what I can see in doing that task, it does give you points. At the same time, there is a task, the second one, that gives you USDC which is a direction of uploading images, which is the second task. It does say there is no limits of you submitting again and again. They need 5 images at the beginning. You can see the requirements, and if you click on more details, you'll be able to read the full direction of what they want. So pretty much it is a direction to gain more cryptocurrency still, despite that the points cannot be converted, withdrawn at this time. So pretty much you're collecting it again for the future. A little bit weird, probably still in development, and unfortunately we'll have to wait. On the positive side, there is the unique world art that came out and then it stopped. So they do push out apps that give you something for a temporary period of time, and then they change it into a completely different app. And if you're starting to be confused from the apps that are actually on the world coin, just go to your app store, read the description of what the app does or says. If you click on it, probably most apps will open this for you. You'll be able to understand the overview of the app and actually select to add it to your account or not. And by doing that, you will save your energy and time from trying apps that are useless and pretty much have no value. Pretty much up until now, the main things that actually do have value are the DNA, For You, AI, the Poop, the Loco, the Uru, the Egg Vault, and the World Coin Collection that happens once every month, depending on when you registered. At the same time, there is the L2 faucet, where it actually gives you test net tokens if you actually have a reason for that, so you can use it. And there's also the Super Cat. Sapien is a new addition that actually has a potential for growth. Clip Juice, not so much supporting it, but it does give you Gloom, and Gloom can be exchanged automatically into world coins. So yeah, it's still worth collecting daily the Glooms, and I will show you why. Pretty much after we've collected the Gloom, okay, claiming trade rewards, okay, and you're done, and check your Gloom on Uno. That's where you go. You are supposed to choose a clip you like, okay, and then you're supposed to verify with the world app ID. After you've verified it, it will take time for one of them to actually give you the Gloom, or they changed it now that it's directly giving you the Gloom. Okay, that's fantastic. Actually, now it's much easier, where you can just continue to trade. But the next point is the price of that image. Will it rise or will it go down? And you can bet. So that's the problematic point when it comes to the Gloom, because if you don't want to bet, you'll have to wait probably till the next day. Now the positive side, if you go to Uno, you'll be able to see that our Gloom is showing now. If I remember it correctly, it should show in what is available. This, yep, Gloom. Let's see if we're going to swap the Gloom. Is it optional to be swapped now or not? Yeah, if I remember, there was an option to swap it, but it's not showing currently. So yeah, Gloom is a little bit also confusing, unfortunately, but the main point is, after you bet, if the price goes to what you bet for, you'll actually gain the Gloom, which is a coin or a currency inside the application, and then by Uno you'll be able to exchange it. Yes, it's a little bit confusing with many different things and applications they're adding, so try to stick to what you understand and is easy for you, and hopefully this should introduce you more to what is available on the World app. And hopefully in the next episode of the series, we'll be looking at exchanges and different applications that can help you to gain free currencies, free cryptocurrencies that actually are more stable, more focused, and are not confusing. It's an application, you leave it turned on, it uses your internet, it gives you a currency, a cryptocurrency, and then you exchange it for USDT or a currency you're used to using. For now, thank you so much for tuning in. Do leave a like and a comment and subscribe.